Do you remember this? Do you remember this? Your children, your grandchildren, they start school. They start school and they're going through their early years, play school. In my day, we used to call it infants. Yeah, they're infants. And then they move on to their through the years. And remember the first year that they bring homework home, and they're working on their homework and they get stuck on something. They come up to you and they say, Mum, Dad, Granny, Grandpa, can you help me with this? I'm a little bit stuck. And generally we knew how to help them out. But everything's changed. Everything's changed. They get to a certain year and then they start learning IT. And my generation, and I think from about 30ish years of age, we didn't do IT at school. We didn't do it. So unless you're in the IT profession, you really don't know nothing about it. You really don't know nothing about it. And that's what this channel's all about. This channel is to help us 30ish and upwards that have got children and grandchildren at school. They can come home and they can say, oh, I've got this problem with pulse width modulation, or I've got this problem with using a potentiometer. I've got this problem with building this circuit. Right, so we start from the basics and we work our way through. We use all sorts of different single board computers. We started off with the Raspberry Pi, the Arduino. We're now on the ESP32. We've used languages like a Python3, C++. We're going to move on to languages such as HTML, hypertext markup language. That's used for building websites. Java, used for building applications. So that's why this channel is here, to help us more senior people that didn't do IT at school, so we can learn and we can help our children. Wouldn't it be great? It's your child, grandchild's birthday, Christmas. Buy them a kit. Buy them a kit. Sit down and work with them through the videos that we're producing here. Work through them and you're learning together and you're going to have fun. I assure you, you'll have fun. Okay, so that's what this channel's all about. Hope you enjoy the channel and I'll see you in the videos. Bye-bye.